Please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Vicky Tech. Hi guys, I hope you are all good and doing great. Well guys, here's the Samsung Galaxy M21. I have been using this mobile phone from the past few days onwards. The result seems quite impressive. Especially I like the processor and the thermal management in this M21 was really excellent along with the RAM management. Anyhow, let's look into this video for more details. Hi guys, firstly let's talk about the build quality. Whereas the front side comes with Corning glass protection and the back side and the side frame it comes with plastic body. And also it has a large capacity battery even though it has a bigger screen. Even though I haven't feel much weight when I hold this mobile phone in my hand. Now let's talk about the display. It comes with a 6.4 inches Super AMOLED screen display. It's a Full HD Plus display guys, and if you look at the resolution, it comes with 1080 in 2340 resolution at 403 ppi pixel per inch. We know that Samsung is one of the best in terms of display, where the display colors was more accurate, looks very beautiful, the weaving angles was also good, the images looks very sharp. And also there was an option in the screen mode. If you enable the vivid, it will just boost the colors. I mean the colors was vibrate, where most of the people like that. So I'm not going to give any kind of comment about that display. The display was really amazing. Watching movies was excellent. The colors was very rich, and if you turn on the screen mode vivid, it will just boost the colors. And also guys, I use this mobile phone and under direct sunlight. I haven't faced any kind of issue while I looking the screen in the direct sunlight. So it was very good. And also guys, you see an option touch sensitivity. If you enable that option, you will see more good while after enabling that option. And also if you have wearing any gloves also, you can easily operate the phone with the help of that touch sensitivity option. Now let's talk about the processor. Where the Samsung M21 comes with one processor, usually Samsung one processor Exynos. Where this mobile phone comes with Exynos 9611 processor, it's the octa-core processor, where the 4 cores was powerful cores ARM Cortex A73, the remaining 4 cores was for power efficient ARM Cortex A53. Before doing the gaming testing on this mobile phone, I have an opinion. This processor is good to handle the normal applications and it is good for daily uses. It can handle the PUBG. Okay, I feel that I have that opinion before doing the gaming on this mobile phone. After doing the gaming testing on this mobile phone continues to 2 hours, I do game testing on this mobile phone. I changed my opinion because I couldn't even believe the results. After seeing the results, it was really outstanding because I like this mobile phone, especially in thermal management and also the RAM management and also battery department, because I have played the game continuously 2 hours. The first 1 hour I played the PUBG with high graphic settings, HD and high performance, and the remaining second hour I played the Asphalt 9. You know that both these games was heavy application and very burdened with the CPU, and the graphics was very extreme level in these both games, PUBG and Asphalt 9. I have played the games continuously 2 hours without any gap. After playing the games, after seeing the results, I was very confused. I want to let you know one thing here guys. When I was starting the game, the room temperature, initial room temperature was around 32 degrees centigrade. After 2 hours, the room temperature reaches up to the 35 degrees centigrade. And also while I doing the testing, I have never used the AC. The air conditioner was switched up. I only do the testing while in my ceiling fan only. So like that, at the initial time when I was checking the temperature of the mobile screen, the temperature was around 33 degrees centigrade. But after 2 hours, when I checked the temperature was not even reach more than 40 degrees centigrade. And also I never feel hot when I hold the mobile phone with my naked hand. I was completely surprised and I was very impressed with the thermal management in this M21. So I was very impressed with the thermal management and the RAM department, and also the battery also does not consume more. Here I want to tell you one thing. While I playing the games, I turned on the location was turned on, GPS location as usual. The Wi-Fi was connected. I turned on the Bluetooth because I connected to the Bluetooth headphones and I play the game. Plus I put the brightness level 50% and I play the game, and I was very impressed with the battery consumption department also. Hey guys, now let's talk about the connectivity. Whereas this mobile phone comes with dual SIMs and 2 nano SIMs, which means it can able to support dual Vivo LTE, which means you can able to use at a time 2 Geo SIMs. And also guys, this phone comes with Wi-Fi which can able to support dual band Wi-Fi, which means you can happily connect 2.4 GHz as usual. You can able to connect 5 GHz Wi-Fi brand also. And also it comes with Wi-Fi direct and also hotspot and also Bluetooth 5.0 version. And also I want to let you know one thing, there was no NFC in this budget category. Here usually in Samsung M series they won't added NFC. You usually see the NFC in the A series mobiles, but anyhow they added the Wi-Fi direct and hotspot and dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 version along with FM, and also they added dedicated audio port jack for 3.5mm at the bottom of the screen, mobile phone. Here I want to let you know one thing, they added the SIM1 and the SIM2 for Wi-Fi calling feature, which is very important and good feature. We need to appreciate them in this price category. If you guys don't know what is called Wi-Fi calling, so I was providing a link in the iCards. You guys can check out from that link what is called Wi-Fi calling, which is one of the best feature. Even though if your signal connection, if your signal was zero connection also, you can happily able to make your phone calls by your SIM card, and you can able to receive the phone call with the help of that Wi-Fi calling feature. But anyhow, if you don't know how to use that feature, just watch that video, then you get an idea what is called Wi-Fi calling. If you're talking about the RAM and storage department, there was two variants was available, 4GB RAM and 64GB is the base storage, and high variant they added 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, and also there was a dedicated slot for micro SD card, and with the help of that slot we can add the memory card up to 512GB. The mobile phone in my hand was 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, but in many cases 4GB RAM is more than enough, but it's a personal choice. If you're talking about the colors, there was two colors was available, one is the black and another one is the blue color, but whereas in my hand it was the black color. Now let's talk about the audio department. It has a single speaker which was at the bottom of the side, and also I told you that it comes with 3.5 audio jack port. You can use the wired earphones. The volume from the speaker was very loud and clear. I have watched a lot of movies, the volume was very good. I listened to the songs also. Even I pick up a phone call by using the loudspeaker. It was very good. I want to let you know one thing, if I was playing the games, the PUBG and Asphalt 9, the speaker volume was very low, but whereas when I watching movies, listening to song, when I pick up a phone call by turning on the speaker, it was very loud. But when I playing the games in a gaming mode, the speaker volume was very less. I even couldn't hear the footsteps of the enemy clearly, and also I couldn't hear the firing also. So you guys please note that point. If you want to play the gaming with the output speaker, then it was worst experience. But whereas if you connected to 3.5mm earphones, or even if you connected to Bluetooth headphones, then it's a different story. It was very good experience, and I have no complaints about that. And also guys, if you connected to the wired headphones or even the wireless Bluetooth headphones, this device comes with Dolby Atmos. So if you enable that option, the sound quality was very impressive with a 360 degrees. You guys must and should need to feel it on your own. Hi guys, now let's talk about the camera department. One of the best centric of this M21 is because of this 48 megapixel which was located at the back side. Whereas at the back side we have seen the triple camera setup. The primary sensor they added 48 megapixel sensor, and for ultra wide they added 8 megapixel. For bokeh shots depth sensor they add a 5 megapixel sensor. In the price category, in the terms of camera department, the back camera handles very good in taking the photos, especially the 48 megapixel shooter, and also ultra wide was also very good, and also the bokeh shots was also coming excellent in this mobile phone M21. And if you look at the front side, they added the 20 megapixel at the front side. If you're talking about the video department, at the back side it can able to record the 4K at 30 frames per second, and also it can able to record full HD at 30 frames per second. But keep in mind, if you're shooting 1080, you can able to enable the option Gyro EIS, electronic image stabilization. Now let's talk about the sensors. This mobile phone has a light sensor, accelerometer sensor, magnetometer sensor, along with proximity sensor and the fingerprint at the right side, where the fingerprint was very accurate and quick. I don't have any complaints while using the fingerprint, and also they added the face lock also. When compared to face unlock, the fingerprint was more good and the accuracy was good, and it's just taking less than 1 second, so which was accurate and fast. And also guys, out of the box it comes with Android 10 and One UI 2.0 version, whereas in old days the Samsung UI was worst. I mean, not good experience, but nowadays the UI was very smooth and lag free, and also they added lot of features in this UI 2.0. And also we can change the lock screen clock styles as well comfortable. We can use the colors to the clock also, and there was a lot of features was added. And also they added the dark mode. If you enable the dark mode, you can look the screen will black, which means this comes with super AMOLED screen. So if you're using any black color wallpaper or black color theme, which will give more battery life, because wherever the black area showing at that particular area the pixels was turned off, which means you will get more battery life in this super AMOLED screen. It is one of the benefit.
Here are the sample shots. It was taken with the ultra lens, so you guys can check out the contrast. Whereas this photo was taken with the wide lenses, there was a huge difference between the ultra wide. Again, this picture was taken with the ultra wide. See the area capture, and this picture was captured with the wide lenses. So it was good. And again, this shopping mall also taken with ultra wide. The area was captured a lot. But whereas I switched to wide lenses, see that observe the area and the contrast levels, and this picture was taken with the ultra wide, and again this picture was taken with the wide lenses. Was very good, fantastic shots. This was taken with the 48 megapixel sensor, so you guys check the colors quality, and this is also again 48 megapixel sensor. The colors was accurate, and this was taken with the rare side by bokeh shot. It looks good, the bokeh also. And here also one more, the bokeh shots. The bokeh shots was coming very excellent in this M21. Here is one more bokeh shot of my fast track watch. You can see the background blurring, and this was taken with a 48 again. You just look at the details captured, and this was taken with the front facing camera, 20 megapixel front facing. And again one more picture, the front facing camera. It looks okay, but whereas this picture was taken with front camera by bokeh shot. You can check, I can easily blur the background where I was in the focus by using the selfie. Again this picture also selfie, I mean front camera, we both are in focus by blurring the background. But this picture was the panorama mode. You guys can check out how the panorama shots was come on this Samsung Galaxy M21. You get an idea while you shooting in the panorama mode. But this picture was in the night time by using the flash by using back camera. The camera quality was good, the image was nice and clear. And again this was taken with complete darkness. In the M21 there was a special mode for night mode. If you turn on the night mode without light also, the image is getting very good in the dark mode. Hope you remember the Google Pixel camera as the dark mode. So these all are the shots which was taken in complete darkness only, but there was no light. So you guys can check out how the photos coming in complete darkness. There was one street light, but even though in the naked eye it was dark. But here is a video which was shooten with the M21. You guys get an idea how slow motion video works in M21. You guys check that video frame right now. See, it was handling very well in slow motion video department also. Just observe the lighting condition, exposures, everything of the video footage. And one more shot from the slow motion footage is for you.
So finally, it's a great phone with lot of features, especially the thermal management and the RAM department was very good. I was very impressed for the department, and also they added the Wi-Fi calling feature for SIM 1 and SIM 2, and also if you enable the option touch sensitivity, we see the touch response was very good. And also they added the Dolby Atmos, and also it comes with 6000 mAh battery, and also they added 15 watts charger in the box, which was very good to charge the device from 0 to 100%. It takes nearly 2 hours 45 minutes approximate time like that to charge the battery. The call quality was good. Besides the Samsung Super AMOLED displays, the display was very beast display. It was very good watching movies, and if you turn on the screen mode, vivid mode, the watching the colors was more accurate. It will just boost the color. So I have no complaint about this mobile phone in terms of display and calling quality and usage. I have also played the heavy games like PUBG and Asphalt and with good thermal performance. That's it in this video, guys. I hope I have provided all the information. If you have any specific questions about this mobile phone, please let me know in the comment section. I was very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notification. Thanks a lot for your love, support and commitment. I'll see you very soon. Take you. Bye bye.